Greetings, this is the Empress Sheba. Welcome to this channel and welcome to another video. I am wearing my signature Empress braids. Yes, with a tree braid illusion. Adding the extension onto my hair and braiding down to where my hair ends, and then stopping the braid from there, letting the hair stay curly at the ends. The hair is two different colors by Freetress. I believe it's beach curl, and I can't remember the number of the colors, but they only have two red colors anyway. I say my signature Empress braids because it's the way I do it. I take a piece of the extension hair and lay it over my hair and braid in three pieces, two being the extension, one being my hair in the middle, and braiding all the way down to the end of my hair. To achieve this look, I added a very thin amount of the Freetress hair to each braid, folding that hair in half, equaling the size of the hair that I'm braiding it onto. That's it, you all. Thank you for watching. Be bliss.
Be bliss. Be bliss.